Are you looking for a way to display a fast and responsive YouTube feed on your Elementor website? In this video, you'll learn how to do that in just a few easy steps with no coding needed. To get started, on your WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. In here, we're going to search for YouTube Feed. Next, we can search for the Feeds for YouTube plugin. And the one we want is this one here, the Smash Balloon Feeds for YouTube plugin. Click on Install Now, and once installed, click Activate. After activating the plugin, let's click on Launch the Setup Wizard. For the first step of setting up the plugin, we'll have to add a YouTube API key or connect our YouTube account. We recommend going with the first option. I've already got my API key ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of this video, or follow our written guide in the description of this video too. Once you have your API key, click this button and paste your API key here. After doing so, click Add, and there we go, our API key has been added successfully. Click on OK. Now to step number 2, configuring the features. With the free version of the YouTube Feed plugin, we can display YouTube channels feed, including downtime prevention, and a video player that allows site visitors to view your YouTube videos directly on your Elementor website. Next, you also have the option to install additional social feed plugins from Smash Balloon. You can use these to display fast and responsive feeds for Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok too. If you want to try those out for free, you can leave this toggled on. Next, if you're posting on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, we recommend you try out ClickSocial, an all-in-one tool that makes managing your social media effortless. And lastly, Smash Balloon also offers the Reviews Feed plugin, which allows you to display reviews from Google and Yelp on the free version. If you'd like to try these plugins out, you can leave these toggled on and scroll down. And at the bottom of the page, you can also see some features that are available with the Pro version of the plugin, such as creating a YouTube playlist feed, a live stream feed, displaying comments, displaying a custom end of video action, and also converting YouTube videos into WordPress blog posts. I'll talk more about YouTube Feed Pro later on in this video. So for now, we can click on Next. And on step number 3, you'll also find some additional plugins you might be interested in. You have All-in-One SEO, one of the best SEO plugins for WordPress, WP Forms, the best drag and drop WordPress form builder, and lastly, Monster Insights, the leading WordPress analytics plugin. If you want to try these out, you can leave these toggled on and click on Install Selected Plugins. And now the Feeds for YouTube plugin has been set up. If you scroll down, you'll find a special offer to upgrade the plugin to the Pro version, or if you'd like to continue with the free version, click on Complete Setup without upgrading. And to get started with creating your first YouTube feed, click on Add New. For the first step, we'll have to select a feed type. With the free version, we only have the channel feed type available. This is for displaying videos from your YouTube channel. But with the Pro version, you get some additional feed types too, which I'll talk about later in the video. So we can click on Next, and for step number 2, we'll have to connect our channel. There's a few ways to do this, such as entering your channel handle, ID, username, or connecting your YouTube account. For this demonstration, let's use the channel handles option. And we're going to display the videos from the channel called Pickup Lines. So we can type that in like this, and click Next. And instantly, we have a live preview of our brand new YouTube feed right here. It's featuring the latest YouTube videos, including shorts, from the channel called Pickup Lines. If we hover over a video inside the feed, you can see the title of that video pop up. And if a site visitor wants to watch it, they can click on it directly on your Elementor webpage. We can now go and embed our feed, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed too. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Here you can modify the layout of your YouTube feed. Currently, you have the grid layout selected, which displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns. Underneath that, we have the gallery layout. This one displays the latest video from your feed at the top inside a larger video player, followed by the rest of the videos in a grid. And third is the list layout. This one displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. But for this video, let's continue with the grid layout at the top. Underneath that, you can also choose how many columns you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. Inside the preview, you can see that we currently have 3 columns. But if you want to modify it, just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2. And instantly our YouTube feed preview will update to display 2 columns instead of 3. Let me change that back to 3. And if we scroll down even further, you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. At the moment, we've got 9, but this is fully customizable too. If you want to enter a different number of videos, just specify it down here, and your YouTube feed will update accordingly. So now we're displaying 6 videos instead of 9. But for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it as 9. And if you're happy with the layout of your feed, click on Save on the top right corner. And next, if you want to modify the color palette of your YouTube feed, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. By default, it's set to inherit from theme, which means that your YouTube feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with a light theme, dark theme, and even a custom theme where you can select the exact color you want for your feed like this. Once you have a color scheme you're happy with, click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click on Add. And now on our WordPress web page, we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are now on our Elementor web page, and let's go down and find a place where we can embed our feed to. Let's embed our feed here under the latest videos. All we have to do is add a shortcode block, which is this one here. Just click, drag it, and place it on your site like this. Next, on the left-hand side, we can paste that shortcode that we copied earlier and click apply. After that, we can just click on publish and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now on our live WordPress website, let's go down and find our new YouTube feed. We have a brand new YouTube feed that we just created inside this page. It's featuring the latest YouTube videos from the channel we connected, which was pickup lines. We have a grid of 9 videos in 3 columns. And if a site visitor clicks on this video, they can start watching it inside this lightbox directly on your Elementor webpage. And that's not all. At the bottom of the feed, you'll also find 2 buttons, one that says Load More and a Subscribe button. If we click on Load More, that will load additional YouTube videos directly inside your feed on your Elementor page. If we click on Subscribe, that will take your site visitor directly to your YouTube channel, making it super easy to gain new subscribers through your WordPress website. And there you have it. That's how we can create a fast and responsive YouTube feed like this with no coding needed. If you like what you've seen so far, you should definitely check out YouTube Feed Pro. With the Pro version of the plugin, on top of being able to create a YouTube channel feed, you can also create a feed of videos from any YouTube playlist, YouTube search, live streams, and even single videos. You also get additional customization options, such as the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. And that's not all. You can moderate the content inside your feed using filters, giving you complete control over what videos you want to display inside your feed. And if you want to boost your channel identity on your feed, you can go into the header menu and go with the standard header style, which features your channel profile picture, name, number of subscribers, and the bio as well. If you want to check out YouTube Feed Pro, head over to smashballoon.com. But if you want to try out the free version of the plugin, you can download it from the WordPress repository. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact your awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.